guys, so I wanted a quick protective hairstyle to do on my natural hair, and I had these hair lying around, these Afro Kinky Hair. I have red, burgundy and black, so I decided to do some jumbo elastic band method, and I'm going to put these in my hair. So I have about 25 or 26 sections, 26 partings, and I think I'm going to use 3 strands per section because I want it to be nice and fat. But if not, I'll just do 2. I'm starting with the burgundy in the back. What we have so far. So I'm going to do the last one on camera for you guys. I'm using 1 strand. In the back I was using 2 strands of hair, but I'm running out of the hair. So kind of loose out the ends. You know, these Afro Kinky, they come with the ends infused like this, and it's annoying pulling out the ends before you use the braid. It's time consuming, let's say that. So I have my elastic. I already put the gel control, and you could add gel control to the body of your hair if you want. It's not necessary, especially since we're using the Afro Kinky. I think it's gonna blend more with your hair, your natural hair, so you don't need the edge control. So this is how I put it on and just start plaiting with the 3 strands. And then I'm going to stop with my natural hair in the middle, and then natural hair in the middle, and then open this natural hair, divide it into 2. Put 1 on this side, 1 on this side. So now that's 2 strands and I need 3. So I'm going to get some of the weave from this side and add that to the middle, right? This hair is annoying. These Afro Kinky hair is so knotty. So we have 3 strands, but this is still thin. So I'm going to get some of the weave from this side as well to make up. And now we have our 3 strands, and we could go ahead and start plaiting. And that is how I do my braids. When you're getting closer to the end of your hair, you could add some more gel control. Totally up to you. And continue plaiting. Okay guys, so I'm finished and I'm going to hot water my hair. I can't find my rods that I have. I'm moving and I'm sure I packed it in something and I was trying to find it and I didn't. So I have these pins that I'm using. So I get a few braids and put it in the ends all the way to the end and wrap it at the end because you still want to be able to open the clip and put the braids in. So this is how I have it, and I already did these. I have my hot water in front of me, so I'm gonna use this. Let's see how it turns out with these pins. But I have these here for a while now, and because it's Afro Kinky, I'm thinking you just have to twist it in your hair. And because I can't rope twist, I just look at the hair and I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you because I can't rope twist and I don't want to pay someone to do that right now. And I finally came across a YouTuber, and she was using these braids and doing a box braid in her hair, and I'm like, let me try that. So that's what I did. So if you're like me and you can't rope twist, don't be dismayed, just plait them in. Guys, this is how the hair came out. This is how the ends came out with the pins. Not as much curl as I'm looking for. I wanted the curl to be further up, but it's just the tips. But we'll take that. So this was my quick protective hairstyle, and now I could wear this for 2 to 3 weeks and feel cute. I love it. It came out really good. So I'm gonna figure out my hairstyle, and thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.